How to turn off offline mode on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Spotify account. Now, once you find yourself in the home page, navigate to the top left corner and from there tap on your profile icon. Now from this menu bar again, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now under the Settings and Privacy, there you will find an option as Playback. Tap on that. Once you tap on Playback, then you will land on the next interface. Now under this Playback, on the next interface, there is an offline mode. So you can simply turn on that. Now, when you turn off the offline mode, you will only be able to play the music you have downloaded. If that toggle is turned on, then simply turn off that toggle to turn off the offline mode on Spotify. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.